Meaning of housekeeping.
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 Housekeeping. Housekeeping refers to the maintenance and organization of a living or working space. It includes tasks such as cleaning, tidying up, and organizing, as well as other activities that help keep a space clean and functional. The goal of housekeeping is to create a comfortable, safe, and healthy environment for people to live or work in. By regularly performing housekeeping tasks, individuals can prevent the buildup of dirt, clutter, and other hazards that can negatively impact their physical and mental well-being. Therefore, housekeeping is an essential part of any responsible and efficient living or working routine.